What's the meaning of biotype? Biotype. Biotype.
Biotype. Biotype. Biotype is a biological term that refers to a group of organisms within a species that share certain distinct features or characteristics. These features can include traits such as physiological functions, anatomical structures, biochemical processes, and behavioral patterns. Biotypes are often differentiated by the environment in which they live, which may lead to genetic variations and adaptations. Studying biotypes is important in understanding the diversity and evolution of different species, as well as informing agricultural and medical practices. For example, identifying biotypes of pests can aid in developing targeted pest control strategies, while studying human biotypes can inform personalized medicine approaches.